Welcome to the last Omega Airsoft. We have a new invention. When you're playing Airsoft, oh crap, the power's out. What are we gonna do? Whoa, what is that? What? What? Where'd you get that light, dude? And you didn't have it when we came in, right?
No.
Okay. You're cool. The last Omega Airsoft here, and we have a new invention for Airsoft. Don't know, whoops, sorry about that. Don't know how many times you're going to use it, but it works. Now, looks like a normal mask, right? Normal person, normal teammate. Everything's normal. But, what's on the side of his head? Flashlight. That's it. Yup. Get it. Well, you look at it, you pretty much know how you make it. Take a guess at what this is. Tape, and obviously, if you're stupid, you won't know what this is. It's a light. And a helmet. You need the helmet, of course. It's our airsoft player. You pretending to flip us off. Alright, we get it. The mask is airsoft mask. And again, you don't know how many times you're gonna use that light, but hey, it might work, like CQB, and you're in a dark room or whatnot. So it works. It's pretty cool. It's fun. Yeah. Wait.